Welcome to the fourth episode of the Developer Update. I'm Sam Carlson, founder of the Spawn Room, and today we're going to be looking at submitting content and meta information. Alright. So since user submitted content is the core feature of the site, we wanted to make it quick and easy. The primary submission form has only 3 required items: a category specifying what the content is, title field to name your submission, and a content section for giving a brief description, publishing an article, or sharing your thought. Only these 3 fields are required. However, on the next page you can optionally submit additional meta information. But before we go to that, let's submit some data. Alright, so the first section, like I said, is category, and this is where you can choose from a variety of different choices, and when you click on one of them, it'll show up this little description of what it is. So you can submit things like bug reports or requests for the site, or you can submit things like casters, events, maps, mods, patches, whatever. For this example, we're going to submit a website. We're going to submit this website. So we put in the name, Spawn Room, and I have some content here I'll paste in. And remove formatting, make sure. Okay, so there's that. We click submit. Now we're at the meta information page, and this is where we can paste things like a Twitter account. So we'll grab that link. So that's the default one selected, and I paste it in. Click submit, and now you can see that this is the first item on our new meta information. It doesn't matter what order you put them in or anything like that. They'll be sorted alphabetically anyway, so you can go about that however you wish. You can submit things like dates. As you can see here, you can put like start date and end dates for events, registration dates. You can select games that apply. There's 2 sections here. You can select just a game, say if it's for an event or a match, you just want to submit a game, that's it. But if you're submitting a player or team, you want to probably put like what game they're playing, say Counter-Strike. You also probably want to put that they're professional and that they're currently active in that. But you can select inactive, retired, free agent. You can select from different things, say StarCraft, Diamond Master, Grandmaster, things like that. But for this example, we'll just move on from there. Oh, if you want to remove a meta tag, you simply just click the X, and it will be deleted. But I want that back on, so I'm going to re-add it. Submit. Bam, it's on. Then when you're done, you can click either the link at the top or the link at the bottom, and that will move you on to your new page. Okay. So after clicking submit, you'll be presented with your new page here. Nope, I gotta find my spot. You can see there's the title, the content that we entered in. This is where the meta information will show up for the most part. Some are more integrated into the page. I guess I can show that if, say, you went to an event page, like Major League Gaming here. You can see there's some here, but then the event dates show up on the top here. You also see that on pages there are ratings. You can positively, negatively, or mark it as important, or you can enter comments just like on other pages, or on posts, I should say. Okay, so that's all we're going to cover in today's episode. In the next episode, we're going to be talking about browsing content and then where that's headed. So thanks for joining me.